Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today we have bad news for iPhone X users. Some displays on iPhone X have touch issues revealed by Apple. Apple says some models of the iPhone X may experience touch issues caused by the smartphone display. According to a page for a replacement program posted to its website Friday, Apple said a component on the display module is causing issues with the touch screen. Users might see the display react even when a user doesn't tap or swipe, or the display will not respond when a user does touch it. Apple said it will replace the module of the iPhone X for free. The company launched a similar program Friday for specific modules of the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Apple said a limited number of models without a touch bar feature have faulty solid-state drive that could result in data loss or failure. The affected MacBook were sold between June 2017 and June 2018. Apple will service affected laptops for free also. Bloomberg first reported on the detail of the program Friday. Last year, Apple launched the iPhone X, which featured an edge-to-edge display and a much higher price tag, which is starting at $999 compared to previous models. In September, Apple released the updated models of the X called the iPhone XS, again starting at $999. Last month, the company launched a lower-cost model, the iPhone XR, with a similar display. Now, these are the 100% correct information revealed by Apple with our best knowledge. We hope you appreciate it and you like the video. And if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well, and share this video with your friends and family, which will encourage us to produce more videos like this on a regular basis. Peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.